Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change distance on Happn. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Happn application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Happn if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the bottom side of the screen we have the Explorer, where you can go and scroll over for the profiles, Hub, we have the map, we also have the likes, and in the bottom right corner we have the chats, so all your chats. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change distance on Happn. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in just no time. So to change distance on Happn, follow these 3 steps. First of all, open Happn, so launch the app on your mobile device, as I already told you in the start of the video. Then what you need to do is go and tap on the settings icon in the app. So you need to go and find the settings icon in the app, which you can go and find here, of course, in the top bar. So you need to go to the top right corner, click on your profile picture, scroll down and click on settings. Now, when you're here, look for the distance option and adjust it to your desired range. You can usually set it to show matches within a certain radius around your location. And that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.